Today I am going to teach you a very beautiful poem of class ninth. The title of the poem is Wind. First of all, I would like to tell you something about this poem. The wind teaches and makes fun of the weak persons or things. Wind god picks up the weak and crushes them. The poet advises us to be strong in mind and body. The wind will be our friend when we are strong as wind itself. In fact, the wind symbolizes difficulties and challenges. Difficulties and challenges frighten us as long as we are weak. As soon as we look boldly into their eyes, they disappear. The poet asks the wind to come gently, but it blows violently and causes a lot of destruction. It breaks the shutters of the windows, scatters the papers, and throws down the books on their shelf. The wind makes fun of the weak persons and things. Weak houses, weak doors, weak rafters, weak wood, weak bodies, weak hearts are all crushed by the wind god. The poet advises us to build strong houses and strong doors. We should be strong in body and mind. The wind will become our friend when we are as strong as the wind itself. Now I am going to explain the poem. So first of all I would like to read out the lines. The wind comes softly. Don't break the shutters of the windows. Don't scatter the papers. Don't throw down the books on the shelf. There, look what you did. You threw them all down. You tore the pages of the books. You brought rain again. So the poet asked the wind to blow gently. He asked the wind not to break the shutters of the windows. He asked the wind not to scatter the papers. He requested the wind, don't throw down the books on the shelf. He says that the wind has already caused a lot of destruction. Wind has torn the pages of the books and it has brought about rain. You are very clever at poking fun of weaklings, frail crumbling houses, crumbling doors, crumbling rafters, crumbling wood, crumbling bodies, crumbling lives, crumbling hearts. The wind god winnows and crushes them all. So in this line, the say that the wind teaches the weak persons. The wind makes fun of the weak persons, weak houses, weak doors, weak rafters, weak wood, weak bodies, and weak people, weak hearts. So the wind god crushes them all. He won't do what you tell him. So let us win strong homes. Let join the doors firmly. Practice to firm the body. Make the heart steadfast. The poet says that the wind does not do what you tell him. So, in order to avoid the destruction caused by the wind, we should have strong houses. We should build strong homes and we should also make our body very strong. We should have the doors very strong and at the same time we should also make our heart very strong. do this and the wind will be friends with us. The wind blows out weak fires. He makes strong fires roar and flourish. His friendship is good. We praise him every day. In these lines, the poet says that if we are strong, then the wind will automatically become our friend. The wind always blows out weak fires and it makes strong fires roar and flourish. The friendship with the wind is very useful, and that is why we all praise the wind every day. So this is all about this poem.